2004 Chevy Silverado. The blend door actuator. It's not working. So when you turn your key on, turn that down. Well, you go to see our fan's working. But if you try to switch, look at nothing. So we gotta fix that. And that is down here underneath the pedals. I already moved this cover here. And it's right back there, tucked in. I already took one bolt out, unplugged the wire. So that'd be it right there. So we're gonna get that changed out. And then hopefully we will have our blend door again. Because AC just does not work as good when it's blowing at your windshield, not your face. Also, I forgot to say, those bolts up there, these couple bolts that are in that, are 7/32, I believe. Yeah, 7/32. So there's one of them right there. 7/32 to get them out. Get you a quick look. I know the camera angle's not very good. But as you see, it's just right there. And then there's one up top that holds that wire harness in with this little clip right here. So we'll get that out. Okay, get ready to put in this new actuator. This is an O'Reilly's one. The number for it was like 15-73952, I think it was. It cross-referenced to this one from O'Reilly's. Otherwise, I think it was a Dorman number. And we'll get that put in a minute and see if it fixes their issue. Okay, trying to get the fish out ain't so easy, but because it's attached to all of that. So let's see if we can get it out without breaking anything. Sorry for the crappy camera work. Not exactly a lot of room down here. Stuck right there on that bolt and that gear. Try to switch hands. Switch positions here. I can see. There we go. I'm stuck. That'd be our part. Let's see what we can do with it. Actually, take a look up there first. And that's what it looks like without it on. Bunch of white lithium grease on it, I see. Okay, from what I'm understanding, it's literally just pop that off, pop the new one on there. You get a slot, but you got to make sure you go in, but it seems pretty straightforward. Now it's getting it to line up, because I don't know what positions that gear's in. Okay. There's a little lever here. You can see it. Your arm around there, where you can move it manually. See? And then you got this gear right up there, which I have moved all the way back so you can move it. Because I'm assuming it was here because it was on defrost on the windshield. Now I'm gonna move it here because the new actuator looks like it's not in the defrost mode. It looks like it's in a different mode, like floor or something. So we're gonna find out. Okay, on this, that little slot right there, right here, has to lock in behind that gear. Do you see that little nipple? It's got to lock in behind that. And then this slot up top has to lock into that little flapper right there before you can do anything. And then afterwards I'll get that motor on there, but I'll have to slide it to get it to be in the right angle. Okay. Again, sorry for the horrible angles. As you see, I got it up in there. I think this is probably going to be upside down though. Hopefully not. And if we can do this, you guys can see, I'll hold it. Ooh, what's in front of it? We got a wire. Now if I hold this backing plate and slowly rotate it, as you see, it goes in all the grooves. Okay. And it's also holding over here in that slot, that groove, with that other flap. So now I just got to get the motor on there. Okay. See that fatter area right there, the slot, has to go into the slot on this, as you can see. So you can rotate this whole backing plate to get it to where you need it to, so you can bolt it in. Now I'm sure you only had to take off the actuator, and I'm a noob, so I wound up taking off the backing plate too, but I got it back in there just in case, you know, you accidentally take it off. Now you know how to do it. So I'm gonna get that to slide in a second. Take this. It's gotta go like that. Like I said, sorry. Okay. Now we should just be able to slide that right up in there. And there we go. The bolt holes should be lined up and everything. Just gotta put them back in. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, that bolt hole looks lined up. Yep, that one's lined up. And the one down here is, I don't know what that one's for. So we'll get that bolted back in. Okay, got it all bolted back in. As you can see, it's right there. I pulled down on this. That way I can get that bolt, but that'll be fine. It'll go back. Now, let's see. Turn the fan on. Okay, you can hear that good. It's coming out of there. Now let's switch to face, because AC works best though. Don't work very good on the windshield. Alright, let's see. And it is coming out of the face. We're gonna see that way you see. There we go. I'm gonna let go. Okay. As you can see, it works. Now we'll turn it back off, put it back on the windshield. And it's switching. No, that's just me shaking. See? You hear it switch up there? And nothing, no airflow. We'll switch back to face. Switching. There you go. And now you got all that airflow. Alright, it works. Okay, that appeared to have fixed it. It switched between all the settings like it was supposed to, and yeah, now she's got AC blowing on her face and not the windshield. If you like this video at all, man, like, subscribe, comment, anything you need, just let us know. We can try to help. Appreciate it.